It's been a long time coming. I'm definitely ready to hear this thing fire.
Ready?
Yep. Still no fuel yet. What's going on, guys? It's Danny from Slow Restoration, and of course we're still trying to finish up this Camaro, and we're really, as you can see, it's coming along really nicely. We did last night get the windshield or back glass put in. We got our seal around it, got the glass set, all that looks good, and now we're getting ready to tackle the windshield. So kind of the same deal. I'll grab the welt that you put around it and show you, just real quick, show you how that works, and then we'll get that windshield laid down in, and it'll be one step closer. Chris is here today, and we've been picking away at the last little details on this car. There is still some more stuff to do. As you can see, we don't have that inner fender and fender on yet. We're still debating what to, we still need to figure out one fitting for that power steering. That's a whole separate issue and story altogether. But we have fuel system hooked up, we got a battery in it, we have ignition system hooked up. We're getting ready to fire this thing. Chris is actually at the store right now getting gas for it. We're going to dump some gas in it. We're going to go ahead and pop the belt off just so we aren't spinning that power steering pump because there's no fluid in it. And let's make some noise with this thing today. All right, we have fuel in it. We got everything hooked up. Chris is gonna go ahead and crank it. We don't have fuel in the carburetor yet, so it's gonna have to prime the whole system. So let's give it a shot. See if we got any fuel yet.
Yeah. I don't know. I just let it start and rest a bit.
Yeah. No fuel yet. Check it again. We got fuel now. She's gonna fire.
Ready?
Hold on 1 second.
Squirt something.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Still no fuel yet. There we go.
If
all right.
She's got fire that the stripper's lit. She's gonna run.
Yep, it's gonna go. Yep.
That thing can't handle fire. This motor was ran.
Go ahead. There it goes. First fire. Sounds real good. It's oil. All right, guys, so obviously it fired up. We're making some noise now. We did forget the plugs. We had some plugs in the valve covers, so the crankcase was not vented at all, and it did push some oil vapors out of the dipstick tube. That pressure's got to find its way out somewhere. When it's sealed up completely, it will have at least a tiny bit of pressure. So it took a while, but it popped the dipstick stick out a little bit, and it did miss some oil. So we got the valve covers uncapped now, and we shouldn't have that issue. We got it wiped down, and let's fire it back up and make some more noise. It sounds really good. There you go, guys. It's alive, it's making noise, it sounds amazing, sounds really good. I'm very happy with it so far. All right, let's fire this thing back up. Don't even have to touch it. just fire this up again. Hit that key, see if it'll just fire.
It will.
Yeah.
I'm telling you. It'll run better when you get a little warmer.
All right, now we got the cutouts open. Let's fire it up, see how it sounds with cutouts.
I'm gonna close the door. Let me get the wires up out of the way.
Okay. Well, there you have it, guys. The first start up on the 496 in the Pro Touring Camaro. I really wanted to have this thing done so Chris could actually take it home this weekend, but once we get that power steering fitting, I can get that buttoned up, get this fender on, and I know it looks like it's still a little ways away, but it's very, very close. Once we get that on, like I said, it's not gonna leave painted 100% done restored car. Chris will take it, finish up the last little details himself, and it's leaving looking like this. He'll drive it, work all the bugs out, and it'll be painted later. And interior is kind of the same way. He's gonna drive it, work out the bugs, and take care of all that later. But anyway, a big accomplishment today, getting this motor fired up in the car. It was started up before on the run stand and broke in, so we did fire it up today in the car for the first time. We heard the exhaust. It sounds amazing. Chris is extremely happy with it. I'm extremely happy with it. So thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.